Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of F5 refresh not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is a clean boot, so search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.